Hey guys, hope you all are doing okay cause today I'm going to show you the second part of my previous video on how to use watercolors. And also sorry for the late upload as I was busy attending a few tests of mine. But now that I'm free again, I'm gonna do uploads more often. So let's get started. In this video, we're going to follow the same steps as in the previous one. First, I'm going to make the base of the skin tone using the only skin tone shade I have in my kit. After doing that, we will start highlighting the eye shades. Now we gotta be really careful over here as we can mess up pretty easily. First, we need to make sure that the brush is not too wet cause too much water makes the sheet damp and dull. Second, that we have to use paint really carefully or else the colors will start spreading and we need to avoid that. And like I always say, we need to be patient while using watercolors. Cause if we start hurrying up the drawing process, the watercolor will mess up the second coat. Another thing that I am avoiding right now is not to paint both of the faces at the same time. First, I finished the upper face and after drawing, I moved on to the next one. And same here, we are going to follow the steps we used in the upper face. While recording the video, I had to switch to a digital camera of my friend. So I had to readjust the camera angles and that camera was really difficult to use. So I only took preview of some scenes. And now I am going to say it again that drawing the paint is the key to a perfect sketch. No matter what you do while sketching using the watercolors, the contrast of the colors while painting and after getting dried will never be the same. It will always be different. And now let's start adding some details. I still don't have any proper brushes to do hair stroke lines, but still it turned out quite well. And now that almost everything related to water was done, I started using a black pointer to highlight the face proportions. And next up was using the whitener, but while doing it I spilled its ink on the sheet and the board and the carpet. My mom was going to kill me if she saw that, so I had to clean it up really fast. And I did, with petrol. And then I started adding some more highlights before moving towards the whitener. And man, what can I say? The whitener just makes your sketch unique and a little soothing. And finally, we removed the water tape to see how it turned out. And also that my next video is going to be on the tutorial on how I painted the whole thing. So do subscribe, like and share this video if you want to be notified. And if there were any problems in this video, you can hit me up in the comment section. And that's it for today. Peace out.